afternoon from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name is Tom. Today I'll give you a look at this 2011 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle is currently showing just over 41,000 miles. See, the color scheme is white over Luxor beige interior. The paint on the exterior is free of any major chips or scratches. I'll show you the front bumper, where most of these imperfections would occur. Porsche badge in great shape, as well as the headlights on both sides. See all the chrome trim on the exterior. It's free of any pitting or scratches. Moving down onto the wheels. See, the wheels are in excellent overall condition. The Porsche logos in the wheels show slight fade due to sun exposure. All the lenses on the taillights are in excellent condition, as well as the chrome trim on the lower tailgate. So now I'll move into the interior, show you the engine, and give you a cold start. See, all the switch gear is intact. You do have memory seats, power adjustable. Bolsters are in excellent shape. This is where you're going to see most of the wear on the interior. There's almost none in this case. Now, this is Porsche's Tiptronic automatic. So you do have shift controls on the steering wheel, as well as a manual mode here in the shift boot. You do have heated seats in the front, as well as the rear. And the chrome and piano black trim is in excellent shape. Now on the Porsches, the ignition is here on the left side of the steering wheel. Insert the key, foot on the brake, and here's a cold start. Close the door. As you can see, there's no lights of concern. See, you do have a display in the gauge cluster, which will show you multiple different fields in the car, as well as vehicle information. You can see, in fact, this is a cold start. You have Porsche's infotainment system. And all the switch gears in excellent shape. Here you have your controls for the differential, sport mode. Now I'll pop the hood, let you hear the engine. As you can see, the engine's in beautiful shape. 3.6 liter V6, produces 300 horsepower. It runs perfect. I'll move around back, show you the rear seats and the tailgate. See, rear seats are in great condition. Do have the rear heated seats, as well as a one-touch power tailgate. Just tap the switch there. You can see it's a split in the rear seats. These do fold down. You have ample storage space. Carpet's in great shape. You have your power control here. Just one tap. Tailgate does the rest of the work for you. Well, if you're interested, come check this car out here at AlphaCars, New Hampshire. Contact Mike in sales. We'd love to see you. We do have plenty of interesting inventory. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.